Hello all beautiful hearts, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe in this COVID situation and enjoying your time with reading books. So in this video I am going to show you how you can make these beautiful DIY bookmarks in home. So without wasting time, let's start the video. For the first bookmark, I am using here an old tea bag box. You can also use any hard paper instead of it. Now I am drawing the outline of the bookmark. Here I am drawing a flower. You can draw anything, your favorite character or any flower. Here outline is done and now I am cutting down according to the outline of this bookmark. For cutting the inside part, I am using here anti-cutter. Make sure to put any hard things under this paper because otherwise your tablecloth will be cut down. Now it's time to decorate it with some colors. Here I am applying the first coat with white color because otherwise the main design won't be so much clear. With this liner, your bookmark is ready to use now. For the second one, I am using here a paper and folding it into a part. So now I will draw the outline. I am drawing here a coffee mug. If you are a coffee lover, then it is perfect for you. Okay, these are ready. Now I am taking a rope to add it at the middle of these two parts. Use some glue and stick them with the glue. Now it's time to decorate it with some designs. I am drawing here as per my choice. You can draw anything in it. For the last one, I am also taking a paper and folding it. It's already dried out. Now I am writing a code on it. Book helps to enrich our mind. More you read books, more you will know about the world. When we leave a book, if we use this beautiful bookmark, it helps us to find the page easily and also give us a happiness with its flow. You can also give this as a gift to your friends and family. Let me know your opinion about these bookmarks in comment section. Give a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll be back soon with new DIY. Till then, stay beautiful.